children, how are you all? I hope you are well and keeping safe at home. Myself, Divya Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group, Kota. Children, today we will be reading Chapter 6 of Social Studies. Take out your Social Studies books, Getting Ahead in Social Studies. Take out chapter number 6, Greenland, the Land of Ice and Snow, page number 39. In this lesson, you will learn about the location and climate of Greenland, its vegetation and wildlife, the people and its agriculture and industry. As Greenland lies in the Arctic region, so it is pretty cold over there. So let us experience the icy cold weather of Greenland. First, I will start with the introduction. Greenland is the largest island in the world that is not a continent. Children, you must understand that Greenland is an island. An island is covered with water on all sides. It is a self-governing province of Denmark. Though away from Denmark, but it is a self-governing province of Denmark. Province, it is a large section of a country which has its own administration. Its capital is Nuuk, earlier known as Gotthard. The first European who visited Greenland was an explorer called Erik the Red. He gave the island its name. Now children, why do you think Erik gave the name Greenland, though it is covered with snow? Might be it is a belief that he gave the name Greenland to attract more settlers to live over there. Now about the climate of Greenland. As you can see in the map here that the Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of Greenland. Thus, most of this island lies in the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. And you know that the region between Arctic Circle and the poles, it has a frigid zone where the climate is pretty cold. The region is also known as the tundra region. Tundra region is found near the Arctic region and on top of the mountains where the climate is pretty cold and windy. 80% of the Greenland is always covered with ice. You can see that most of the Greenland is always covered with ice because it lies in the frigid zone. Huge pieces of ice break off and float in the sea. They are called icebergs. You can see here an iceberg. It might seem to be a small piece of ice, but it is pretty a huge mass from inside and it causes a huge damage, a massive damage. You must have watched the movie Titanic where you have seen that how much massive damage it can cause to a big ship like Titanic. The southwestern coast of Greenland is the warmest part of the country. Now about the vegetation. Vegetation refers to the plant life. As it is pretty cold in Greenland, therefore nothing grows in the ice-covered areas of Greenland. And you cannot see any forest, no crops are grown, nothing grows over there. Some plants can be seen during the summer months like sedge, cotton grass and lichen. Here is the sedge. It is a grass-like plant. This is cotton grass and this is lichen. Lichens are mostly found on rocks, mountains or trees. Now about the wildlife. As Greenland is very cold, so the animals which can bear the extreme cold are only found in Greenland. Animals found are polar bear, reindeer, musk ox, wolf, Arctic fox and seal. Several varieties of fishes and seabirds are also found here. Now about the people. The Inuit or the Eskimos were the original inhabitants of Greenland. Now the people who were the original inhabitants of Greenland are called Inuits, but now we call them Eskimos. Inhabitants are the people who are residing in a particular place. They are mainly hunters and live by fishing and hunting animals. The skin and fur of the animals are used to make clothes. they use the skin and fur of the animals for making clothes. The fat is used as a fuel. The fat of the animals was used as a fuel, and fuel is a substance, when you burn it, it produces heat. For hunting earlier, they used harpoons and bows. Now they use guns. Now this is a harpoon, this is a spear which is attached to a rope, and this is used for catching large sea creatures. Inuits were nomadic people. Now what do I mean by the term nomadic? The people who roam here and there throughout the year for hunting. Now mainly the people were nomadic. To travel around, they used sledges pulled by dogs and used kayaks for fishing in the sea. Now this is a sledge which is pulled by a dog. Sledge is a vehicle which is used to carry loads of passengers over the ice, and this is a kayak. It is a narrow boat which is moved with a single paddle. While roaming around, the Inuits built temporary houses made of ice blocks called igloos. Now this is an igloo, it is a temporary house. But most Inuits now lead a settled life. They live in small villages or towns on the sea coast. Clothes. The people wear clothes made of animal skin and fur. As they used to hunt animals, so they used their skin and fur in their clothes. Men, women and children wear jackets with hoods lined with fur called parkas. Now this is a jacket which has a hood, this is a hood, this is called a parka. Long boots made of seal skin to keep their feet warm in the snow. Now these are long boots which are made of the seal skin to keep their feet warm in such a pretty cold weather. Today, Greenland's population is about 56,000. It has a mixed population, mostly of Inuits and Europeans. Almost entire population lives on the southwestern coast. Now why? Because it is warm over there. The capital Nuuk is the biggest town with a population of 15,500. Holsteinborg is the second biggest town with a population of 5,500 people. Now about agriculture and industry. As it is very cold over there, so we cannot find more agriculture. Therefore, fish processing is the major industry in Greenland. In some summer months, when it is not extremely cold, sheep are raised in small numbers in the southwestern coast because it is warm over there. So during the summer months, sheep are being raised. A very small part of the land in southwestern region is suitable for agriculture, where some vegetables like potatoes are grown. In the southwestern coast, where it is a little bit warm, we find agriculture where potatoes are grown. Now this was all about the chapter. Let's have a quick recap. Arctic Circle passes through Greenland. 80% of land is covered with ice. Inuit or Eskimos were the original inhabitants of Greenland. Animals, fish and birds that can withstand the extreme cold are found in Greenland. Most people in Greenland live on the southwestern coast. The capital Nuuk is the biggest town with a population of about 15,500 people. Fish processing is the major industry of Greenland. Thank you, children. Please read the chapter at home. Stay home, stay safe.